I help build the cars essentially from ground up. I help measure the parts, scan the parts, put the parts on the cars, and also scan the final car before it goes to the racetrack. Laser scanning technology is very important to RFK. Without it, I don't think we can do my job or most people's jobs here. It is very essential to pass NASCAR inspection throughout the whole process. We have to meet their standards and the standards of internal engineers through Aero and Sim. FARO helps us out. We want to build the fastest cars that ever hit the racetrack. So without FARO, we couldn't be a top tier team in NASCAR without them. We do have several different products of FARO. The Leap ST is a game changer for us. We're able to move that scanner wherever we want to. We're able to mobilize that scanner to each of our cars independently without having to be tied to an arm. We're able to scan parts at more detail than we ever had before. We're able to get to deep holes where we couldn't measure them before without having a CMM arm. And so the Leap ST and the fact that it works with Cam 2 and being able to pick primitives off of it, we're able to use those features and do our alignments as we need them to measure the part. I've used many different scanners, and the Leap ST has been one of the most mobile devices that I can use. FARO is a well-trusted product. They've been known for quality, they've been known for accuracy, and that's what you have to have in the environment and racing when you want to be a top-tier team.